Blah! Hi there, Mr. Keats. You're looking very picturesque. Very picturesque. Oh my god. Yeah, blah. There's baby. There's baby. Baby, you idiot. Here we are. We are in the goat area. It looks very spooky this morning. It's about 6:30 a.m. The sun doesn't officially come up for another 20 minutes or so. So it's a little bit foggy. Oh, foggy. Yeah, really? Blah. Keats is being so picturesque over there. Who's up here? Lovelace loves to be tall. She loves to be tall. She's a spool girl. Hi, spool girl. Hi, honey. Look at those ears. Oh my god. 3 goats. Yeah. Very cute. Mary like poking her little head out. Very cute. Very cute. Everyone's yelling. Where is Mr. Wordsworth? Wordsworth, you're gonna get eaten by coyotes. One of these days, little man. Blah! Oh my goodness. Look at them. There they go. There they go. Oh, Mr. Byron and Mr. Keith. Little buddy, you're gonna get yourself all eaten by coyotes, young man. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Fluff Boy. Shall I open this gate? Wah, wah, wah. And I suppose I will open the other one as well. Because we're dumb. A bit dumb. A little bit dumb, huh? Honey. What? I don't have goat treats in my pocket, sweet boy. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, come see your friends. Hi, Mr. Shelley. What are y'all doing on the other side there? It's like they're afraid of coming through the gate. Hi, buddy. It's alright, girls. Alright, ladies. Oh, they're so picturesque. Hi, Bear. Bear. Bleh. 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 Hi, kids. What you doing? Hi, Miss Mary. Miss Mary Mac. Mr. Byron. Oh my god, it looks like Lovelace is like whispering in Rosette's ear. Oh, we're having a little standoff. A little head bonking. A little recreational head bonking. Keats is like, don't see me. Don't see me. There's our twins. They're so cute. That's the dum-dum. All by himself. All by him lonesome. Yeah. Hi, Fluff Boy. Hey, Wordsworth. Hi, girls. You're so beautiful. Look at you. I see you, Mr. Keats. Why don't y'all have some foods, huh? I'll give you your grain a little later today, but why don't you eat some plants? Oh my god, Mary is trying so hard to challenge Rosie to a duel. Eat some plants, friends. Eat some plants. Mary, she wants to fight. Ooh. Byron and Shelly are over there because they want to try to get into the flippin' garage. Idiots. The garage is shut for business. You have hay. Kiddos. Plants. Hello, Mr. Shelley. Hello, Mr. Byron. Come here. Come here, silly children. Come here, silly children. Oh, they're so cute. You want to go in house? That's not an option, young man. No, house is off limits. House is for humans. They both start with H. That's how you know. It's not how you know. Oh, Wordsworth. Hi, buddy. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, kids. Hi, Mr. Keats. Oh my god, look at him. Ooh, what a good boy. There they go. Mr. Keats? Young man? Where you going? Oh, Wordsworth is crying. Oh, we're all standing on the hoof trimming thing. Hi, are you crying, baby boy? Are you crying? Why are you crying? Why does he cry? Now Lovelace wants to go in the house. Don't eat that, you doof. Oh, Shelly is trying to challenge Mary to a duel now. Keats wants to go in the garage. Y'all are ridiculous. Byron and Shelly are like, oh, the ladies are chasing us. Oh my god, you ridiculous children. Shall we go see what they're doing, Ladies, why don't you come eat some actual good plants, Don't eat the decorative bamboo or whatever. That's no good. That's no good. That's decorative. There you go. Little Wordsworth. Oh my god. Hey, Keat. Hey, bud. You're alright. Oh, my goodness. I just turned around and they're all right here. Hi. Hey. Are you wiping your nose on your sister? Lovelace. Rossetti just charged them like bowling pins. Y'all are tough. Tough ladies. Yes, these are some tough ladies, young Master Keats. You sure are. Yeah. Got some mushrooms over here. Some pretty delicious looking weeds, young goat friends. Hey, baby Keats. Where's everybody else? Probably just like loafing. Yeah, they're just loitering. You loitering? Are you loitering? You know the garage is off limits right now. That's why the door is closed, you dum-dums. You ridiculouses. Ah, these guys know what's up. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, Mr. Keats, hello. Hi, baby boy. Bleh. Here come the girls. Bleh. Bleh. Oh, my goodness. Bowling for young men. Come on. Let's eat some delicious plants. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Here's Mr. Shelley. He's so easy to spot. I should get only white goats. Hi, little Mary girl. Hi, little Mary. Hey, little Mary. Wordsworth is always the hardest to spot. But that's okay, because I got him a buck apron, and it's neon orange. Oh, Byron, look at you. Oh, look at him. He's so cunning. So cunning. Hi, guys. Whew, stepped in a hole. This yard is riddled with holes, young man. Vines. Oh, Mary, you're tall. She's so tall. Byron, you look so majestic. Look at you. Very impressive. Alright, it's getting a little hot because the sun's coming up, so I'm gonna go in. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys to your munchins. Gonna leave y'all to your food. Having a good time eating plants. Yes. You're the tallest, Byron. Look at you. We're all very impressed. He's got his little mohawk up. We're so impressed. Oh, you dum-dum. You idiot. Mary. Byron, I think you're setting a bad example for this baby. This baby whom is already taller than you are. Oh, are we gonna have a little fight? Mary would rather have a fight on something with a little more structural integrity, I think. Wordsworth going to town over here. I love these goats. Good goats. Perfect goats. Oh, Keats is so tall. He stand. Cunning lad. Oh my goodness. Look at these bipedal ungulates. Terrible. Fluff boy. Alright, this is like almost 15 minutes, so I think I'm gonna stop here for right now. Ooh, they're so cute. I can already tell my insect repellent is wearing off. Lovelace, are you eating the moss off of a tree? Byron's still having fun over there. What are you doing? Yes, delicious lichen. Lovelace's tail is so cute, it's like curly. It almost looks like a little husky tail or something. So cute. Alright, kids. Enjoy your plants. I'll be back later to bring you some hay and pellets, friends. Bye. Byron, do you like making that much noise? Is that exciting for you? Does it make you feel tough? You're a tough young man, Byron. A tough cookie. I love those goats. What good goats. Somebody's following me. I'm going inside, friends. And y'all are staying outside. Oh my god, here they come. Holy shit. They do not want to stay outside when I am going inside. Wordsworth. Oh my love. Hello, Mr. Keith. Oh my god, look at them all. They just turned up there. Hi. Hi, did you just burp at me? Hi. Yes, I love you. You're good goats. You good. Love you. I'll see you later. See you later. Yes. Bye, everyone.